Hi folks, welcome back to James and Lucy Online, and as we've mentioned in previous videos, we've been really lucky during the pandemic to make great money with our online business, while other stores, particularly those in physical locations, have really been suffering. We were lucky to make 75k in our first month of running a dropshipping store, and we really want to spread the word about how great dropshipping is. So this video we're going to be talking about what is dropshipping with Shopify and AliExpress and how will it make you money online. Let's go. So essentially dropshipping is literally running a store on your laptop or computer. Lucy and I really like dropshipping because of the fact that we could travel the world and work anywhere we like to on our laptops was really appealing to us. And then we also realized that actually the startup costs of running a dropshipping store really aren't that much at all compared to your other sort of conventional startup. And I'll get into that now about how startup costs can be cheaper with running a dropshipping store. So let's talk first about the dropshipping model and how it works. So essentially, dropshipping is basically where you are selling a product to a customer and then you're buying that product from the manufacturer and sending it to the customer from the manufacturer direct rather than dealing with the product itself. That's how it works. And to give you an example of how this works, I've brought up my customer Jimmy here, who is looking to buy a mobile phone case from our store. So Jimmy finds our store through advertisements online and goes on the store, finds a great case that he likes and buys the case on our store. And then we get an email saying he's bought the case. We then send an email, and often this happens automatically, to the manufacturer, who then say, okay, we'll send that case to Jimmy, pay us, we pay them, and then they send the case directly to Jimmy. We don't have to deal with any stock or anything, we literally just deal with the order itself. And then Jimmy's happy because he's got his case, the manufacturer are happy because they've sold the case, and we're happy because we've made a profit selling the case for the manufacturer. That essentially is dropshipping in a nutshell. And Shopify is the platform that we use to build the dropshipping store. So it's a great platform, it's really, really simple to use, and you can literally build a website really quickly in Shopify. We're going to be doing more videos in the future about how to build a dropshipping store, but Shopify, all you need to know for now is that Shopify is what you build the store in. AliExpress, on the other hand, is the platform where you find the products that you sell in your store. So it's a huge database with millions of products on there, millions of suppliers and manufacturers all use AliExpress to get their products out there into the world. So we find their products through AliExpress, and then we build our store in Shopify, put the products into our Shopify store, and then Shopify also manages all of the orders that we get in from customers. So we can see when we get an order, and then we send the order to the manufacturer on AliExpress. That's how Shopify and AliExpress work. How do you make money with dropshipping? So obviously, as you can see, we're in the middle here. So let's use the scenario where we're buying, let's say, a camera, right, for $100 on AliExpress. We find a good camera that we want to sell, and we put that camera into our Shopify store for $150, okay? In the future, we're going to be doing a lot of videos on how to price up products, how to really know how much to sell a product for. But in this scenario, we're selling it with a 50% margin, $150. And as you can see, we're making a $50 profit for selling that product for the manufacturer. And if you think about it, if you were to scale that product up, so maybe you decide, okay, that camera's selling really well, let's scale the advertising on that product. So let's say you put some more money into advertising and you sell 10 of those cameras per day. That's $500 of profit before the advertising that you make, profit after advertising that you make on your store, which as you can see, you can really scale that up and make some big money with dropshipping if you do everything in the right way. And as I say, we'll talk much more about this in greater detail in further videos on this course. So our main roles in running a dropshipping store. Essentially there are four main roles, and they're pretty simple really. So the first main role is designing the Shopify store. Really simple. You literally design it and put products into there. And we'll be doing videos on how to design the store later on. AliExpress, you've got to deal with AliExpress, you've got to find products on AliExpress and manufacturers and suppliers and put those products into your Shopify store. Lucy's going to be doing more videos on AliExpress in the future, so we'll be talking about that on this channel. Google Ads. So essentially, advertising obviously is a really important part of dropshipping because you've got to get the word out about the product. We use Google Ads because we find that the competition really isn't that much compared to other advertising platforms. So Google Ads is a great platform to use, and we'll be talking about other platforms as well, but primarily on this channel we're going to be talking about using Google Ads for advertising. And the last key role in running a dropshipping store is your customer service, making sure that customers are happy, so then we can run the store smoothly. It's essential that customers are happy, because as we know from past experience, Lucy and I have had chargebacks in the past, and it's really not fun getting chargebacks. So you've got to make sure that your customers are happy, and part of that process is just checking up on the deliveries and making sure that the deliveries are getting to the customers on time, and if they're not, really working out where those orders are, dealing with the manufacturer and making sure that the product gets to the customer. So I hope that video has helped you to understand what dropshipping is and what Shopify is and what AliExpress is. And yeah, just tune into this channel, look out for future videos on our channel. Be sure to subscribe, very important. And we'll see you in the next video where we'll be talking about everything we've just covered in this video. See ya.